Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the definition and the properties of equilateral triangle. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed the types of a triangle. The link is given in the description box. So let's start from the definition. A triangle where the length of all three sides is equal is called an equilateral triangle. I have drawn two triangles here. You can see in this ABC triangle, all three sides are equal and it is 6.7 centimeter is. And in this triangle, every side is in 5.5 centimeter. So, what are the properties of equilateral triangle? All three sides are equal. As you can see from the definition, the length of all three sides have to equal. Number two, all three angles are equal and each angle measures 60 degrees. You can see in this ABC triangle, this angle is 60 degrees, this one is 60 degrees, and this one is 60 degrees. So we can see all three angles are equal and each angle measures 60 degrees. Now, if we add these three angles, the summation will be 180 degrees. Number three, the area of an equilateral triangle is √3 divided 4a square, where a is the length of any one side. Just like if we consider this side, so the value of a will be 6.7 centimeter. So this formula will help us to find out the area of an equilateral triangle, and in our very next tutorial we will solve this type of problem. Number four, height of the equilateral triangle is √3 divided by 2 into a, where a is the length of any one side. You can see in this triangle I have drawn a height. So what is the height? The height of a triangle is the distance from the base to the highest point of the triangle. So this is the height. And in our very next tutorial, this formula will help us to find out the height of an equilateral triangle. Then finally, number five, all the medians of an equilateral triangle are equal and perpendicular. So I am going to help you to understand what is median. In geometry, a median of a triangle is a line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. That means, in this triangle, this is a vertex and P is the midpoint of AB. So when we join C to P, this will be our median. In a similar way, this is a vertex and N is the midpoint of AC. So when we join B and N, we get another median. And when we draw another line from A to M, we get another median, because A is a vertex here and M is the midpoint of BC. So here in ABC, AM, BN and CP are three medians. AM, BN and CP are the medians and they are equal. Now I would like to discuss about the perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at a right angle, that means 90 degrees. So when AM intersect BC, in this point we get 90 degree angles or right angle. So this line is perpendicular to BC. BN is perpendicular to AC, and finally CP is perpendicular to AB.